Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? Hope all of you will be fine. Here is our countdown book 3. Now open your countdown. Students, as we have done our question number 14 of division, and today we are going to solve question number 15 on page number 96. Students, we are doing the division chapter number 2, number operations, and we are doing the exercise of chapter number 2. So students, our today's topic is question number 15. Divide the following sums. First one is 846 is being divided by the number 6. So students, let's divide it. Here I am solving your questions on your notebook. So students, here is exercise 2e, question number 15, and here is the question number 1, part 1. Okay, 6 ones are 6 because this one is greater from our divisor, so we can divide it easily. 6 ones are 6. In the next step, we are bringing 8 minus 6, that is the 2. So we will take this 4 down here because this 2 is smaller from my 6. This will become 24. So students, read the table of 6 till the number 24. Yes, 6 8s are 6 4s are 24. Look at this, students. I have written the 24 here, and this one is completely divided. So in the next step, we are doing the subtraction. 24 minus 24, that is 0. So I will have to bring this 6 down here. Now students, here is the number 6. Next, 6 ones are 6, so we can write it completely. This is divided completely on our divisor, and our remainder is 0, which means that we have done our division completely. And what is our quotient? Our quotient is 141. Come towards our next question, part B. Look at this, students. 755 is being divided by the number 5. 5 ones are 5. So students, in the next, 7 minus 5 is 2. So here I am writing my 2. So student, this 2 is not divisible by the 5 because this one is smaller. So I will have to bring this 5 down here, and this will become the number 25. In the next step, students, read the table of 5 till the number 25. Yes, 5 5s are 25. So students, here is our number 25. In the next steps, we are doing the subtraction. So students, 25 minus 25 or 5 minus 5 is 0. So I will not write the 0 here. In the next step, I am taking the third digit of my dividend down here. This is the number 5. Now students, in the next step, 5 ones are 5. So students, 5 minus 5 is 0, which means that our remainder is 0. So we have done our division completely. Our quotient is 151. Next part is C. So students, here compare the first digits. 7 is greater from our 4. 4 2s are 8. I can't write the 8 here, so I have to write 4 1s are 4 here. Next student, 7 minus 4 is 3. Here I am writing my answer 3. 3 is smaller from my divisor, so I will have to take this 4 down here, and this will become 34. Now I can divide 34 by my divisor. Read the table of 4 till we get the number 34 or smaller than 34. So students, 4 8s are 32. Now students, look at this. Here I am subtracting 4 minus 2, and here is my remainder 8. So students, look at this. 8 is again smaller from my divisor. I will have to take this 8 down here, and this will become the number 28. Now read the table of 4 till 28. Yes, we get this number on 7. So students, 4 7s are 28. Here I am writing my number 28 beneath the dividend. Now 28 minus 28 is 0, which means that we have completed our question and our quotient is 187. Next is the part D. So students, look at this and compare the first digits 3 with the 5. 3 2s are 6. Can't write the 6, so I will have to write 3 1s are 3 beneath it. Okay. In the next step, 5 minus 3 is 2 and 2 is being smaller from my divisor, so I will have to take this one down here and this will become the number 21. Now read the table of 3 till the number 21. 3 7s are 21. So students, look at this, 21 is being completed and in the next step we are going to take this 6 down here, and when we are taking the 6 down, this will be greater from my divisor. So students, now look at this, 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. Here I am writing 3 2s are 6 and 6 minus 6 is 0, which means that I have completed my question and my quotient is 172. Next, in the part E, look at this, 2 2s are 4. I can write it 2 2s are 4 because 2 3s are 6 and 6 is being bigger from the number 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now this 6 is going to bring down and this will become the number 16. Read the table of 2 till the number 16. Yes, 2 8s are 16. Now look at this, we have done this 16 completed. So in the next I am going to bring this 8 down here and this will become 2 4s are 8. Now students, look at this, 8 minus 8 is 0, which means that we have completed our question and our quotient is 284. Next is our part F. Students, look at this, compare 4 with the 6. 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. Can't write the 8 here, so I will have to write 4 1s are 4 beneath the 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 is being smaller from the 4, so I have to take this 8 down here. This will become the number 28. Read the table, 4 7s are 28. Now 28 minus 28 is 0. I am not writing it here. I am bringing down this 4 down of the dividend. Now students, this is divisible by my divisor. 4 1s are 4. Now students, 4 minus 4 is 0, which means that we have completed our question and our quotient is 171. Next is the part G. So students, compare dividend with the divisor. 7 1s are 7 and 9 minus 7 is 2. So here I am writing my answer 2. So student, look at this. This 2 is smaller from my divisor. I will have to bring this 1 down here. Read the table of 7 till the number 21. Yes, 7 3s are 21. Look, this 21 is completely divided. In the next step, we are going to bring this 7 down here. Now, this 7 is equal to my divisor. So, 7 1s are 7. Now students, in the next step, 7 minus 7, we are going to subtract it and we know that the same subtraction is 0. So students, in this we have completed our division completely and our quotient is 131. In the next step, that is the part G, H. In this, we are going to compare our divisor with our dividend first digit. 6 2s are 12, can't write the 12 beneath the 9, so I will have to write 6 1s are 6 here. Okay. Now in the next step, students, 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 is being smaller from my divisor. Now I am taking this 6 down to make this a bigger value. Now this one is 36 and bigger from my divisor. Now students, 6 are 36. 36 is completely divided here, and now in the next step we are bringing this 6 down here. Now this 6 is equal to my divisor, so I will write it here. 6 ones are 6. And in the next step we are going to do the subtraction, and in the subtraction 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay, so our quotient is 161. Now students, our next is part I. Look at this, 3 2s are 6, can't write the here, so I will write 3 1s are 3 here. In the next step, 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 is being smaller from the 3. I will have to write this 8 down here. 3 6 are 18. So students, we have divided our 18 completely, and in the next step I am taking this 9 down here and read the table of 3 till the 9. 3 3s are 9. Now students, 9 minus 9 is 0, which means that we have completed our question and our quotient is 163. Next is the part J. So students, let's compare our dividend first digit with our divisor, that is being greater. So 3 1s are 3, because I can't write 3 2s are 6 here. 5 minus 3 is 2. Bring the 7 down because this 2 is smaller from my divisor. This will become the number 27. Now we can divide it. 3. Read the table of 3 till the number 27. 3 9s are 27. Look students, we have divided it completely. Next is we left the number 3 here, so I am taking this 3 down here. Read the table of 3 students, as both are equal, so I am writing 3 1s are 3 here. Okay, next in the subtraction, 3 minus 3 is 0, so which means that we have completed our question and our quotient is 191. In the next step, part K, 763 is being divided by the number 7. So students, 7 1s are 7 here. In the next step, 7 minus 7 is 0. So bring this 6 down here. Now look at this students, this 6 is again smaller from my divisor. How can I divide it further? I will have to take the other digit down, or we can solve it just like this. So students, this 6 is smaller from my divisor. I have to take this 3 down with this. Okay, I am taking the 2 digits down, and you know that when we take the 2 digits down as it is, then we write a 0 here. Okay, and in the next step students, now we are going to read the table of 7 till the number 63. So students, read the table of 7. Yes, 7 9s are 63. Here I have written the number 63 beneath it. Now students, next step is subtraction. 63 minus 63 is 0. Our remainder is 0, which means that we have completed our division and our quotient is 109. Next is the part L. So students, look at this, 9 is being greater from the 5, so I am writing 5 1s are 5 here. In the next step, 9 minus 5 is 4. Look at this, 4 is here and 4 is being smaller from my divisor, so I have to take this 5 down here. Now this will become the number 45. Read the table of 5 till the number 45. 5 9s are 45. Now students, 45 minus 45 is 0. I will not write this down here. So students, here is my remainder 0. This is not my remainder because this is the part of my dividend. I will have to solve it and then I will make the remainder of it. So students, 5 zeros are 0 because 5 1s are 5, that is greater from the 0. I can't write it here. I will have to write the 0 beneath this. 5 zeros are 0. And in the next step students, subtraction, 0 minus 0 is 0. Now this 0 is our remainder because we have done our dividend with our divisor. Okay students, what is our quotient of this question? The quotient of this question is 190. So students, we have completed our question number 14 from the part A till the part L. Okay students, do the practice of these questions on your notebooks. Okay students, take care. Allah Hafiz.